Hello YouTube. I have a really nice sharp 1100 watt microwave. Got it at Lowe's. I hardly use it, it's not even a year old. I was just making popcorn and I don't know, I guess some of the oil leaked out of the bag, but my turntable, my little glass deal, is broken too. I don't know if that's covered under warranty or if Sharp can get me another. I don't know, but it's fairly it's clean. It's very low use. It's a really nice microwave. It was one of my favorite ones until now. Damn. So. Anyway, so if anybody knows what happened, or if anybody had one similar to this, let me know. Man, this really sucks. Really sucks. Really nice microwave. All I did was make a bag of popcorn. Damn. Thank you. And Sharp, if you're watching, damn. Comment, please, somebody. Alright, thank you.